Welcome. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate AI retail agent team using NVIDIA and their model. So here if you want to see the overall architecture of our diagram, this is the overall architecture of our entire system. In retail, how we can leverage AI agent and improve our operation productivity as well as retail productivity. So these are some agent to improve retail processes. So first agent is the product advisor agent, customer support agent, inventory management agent, and review text analysis agent. So in this particular search agent, so we have a product data. We use NV-clip model and store everything into vector database. If user ask anything about product search, it will answer on this thing. From customer support, we have unstructured database. We do same thing. uh, Use Dockling library to do chunking, use NVIDIA embedding model to and store everything into vector database, and you use embedding NVIDIA name and read anchor to perform semantic search. If we want to read in this blog how we perform everything, you can see everything in this is a nothing but in coordinate vector database. We create an image embedding for customer support. We uh, this is a nothing but customer support embedding, and which cosine similarity we need to use. If you want deep dive, you can please check it out this blog. And how we do chunking, here we successfully chunking 44,000 images. And for test cases, you can see here everything is in GitHub repository. If you go image embedding and test folder, everything is available in here. Let's deep dive into another one. So this is a nothing but production level RAG pipeline for customer support agent. So we take a PDF document, Dockling library, embedding model, and here you can see each and everything. If you want to know screenshot here, related each and everything. So yeah, this is nothing but similarity search. Let me go to the UI part. So this is nothing but our AI agent. Let me click refresh and yeah, basically if you here you can find startup code. If I ask any question, it will answer it. Let me ask one question: compare review between Arizona and Texas. It will take couple of minutes, and within a few seconds answer will appear. Okay, here you can see there is a no review for another. It will answer this question. Okay, if I ask another question, find the review mention scam. Okay, here you can see